Morning, friends. Today I'll be showing how to set up the Raspberry Pi with the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and a few other components. This is a Raspberry Pi board I was talking about, and you can see uh, Raspberry Pi board with the four ports, one Ethernet port, and the GPIO and HDMI port, audio jack, and this is the micro USB for the power supply. And I am having my 16 GB of micro SD card, micro SD reader, micro SD reader, small micro SD reader, and 16 GB of SD card, monitor with VGA cable, keyboard, mouse, and a monitor adapter that is there in the back side. It is connected, you can check. Two wires are connected back side, VGA cable and the adapter. Okay, now we will see how to set up this. Now this is having HDMI. This is having HDMI support. That's why I'm having HDMI to VGA converter. HDMI one end should go to this connector, and the VGA, this is a VGA converter adapter. This should go to this particular VGA connector. Just tighten up this. Okay, so that will connect, this will connect VGA with the HDMI, and after that let us connect keyboard with the mouse and as well as mouse. Keyboard and the mouse will connect with the USB ports to the USB connectors, and SD card. Now SD card, this is SD card. I'll be showing this part, that is how to install OS onto this by inserting SD card. Now already I've installed OS on this. One more video I'll show how to do that, SD card formatting, how to install OS onto this SD card with this SD card reader and micro SD. Now already I've installed OS onto this. I'll be inserting backside of the Raspberry Pi board. Backside of the Raspberry Pi in this direction I'll be inserting. So once I insert, I'll take the mobile adapter itself, which comes with the micro USB, and I'll connect over here. And this one I'll plug in to the bottom of this, and the monitor power supply. I need to give power supply to the monitor. That one also I'll insert. Once I insert, now you can see it has been connected, and this will be plugged in. Initial messages you get. This is what I installed. Raspberry Pi Buster, Raspberry Pi desktop. Welcome to the Raspberry Pi desktop, which is a 32-bit OS operating system, which I've installed onto the board, and you'll get a welcome screen. Come back. You'll get welcome screen. Give next and configure country. Come back. Zoom out and show it. Initial configuration: India. The language English. Zone Kolkata zone. US keyboard, US English. Select next, and it will get configure. You can connect USB turn off wireless anything as you wish. Wow, it is getting configured. Back. Yeah, you can leave the password, new password. You can leave the empty. Okay, leave next. Blackboard on disk. Desktop. Okay, later you can restart, or you can restart now only. Once you're done with that, let us do few more configuration.